5 hours on the bus from Athens to Preveza, and we just got here and we are changing bus. That's gonna take us to Praga or Parga. Parga is it. We have a hotel booked there because it was a lot better than the Airbnbs there. So. See you later. Welcome to our new Airbnb. It's not actually Airbnb, it's a hotel, but it's a hotel apartment, since I got a better deal of this hotel that I would have gotten for an Airbnb apartment here in Parga. And we just arrived 5 hours with bus from Athens to Preveza and 1.5 hours from Preveza here to Parga, a coast town. So let's do a room tour. Let's start with the bathroom. It's a penthouse suite. Little older, stylish, but okay, and a really good price. And it has a bathtub, some kind of a jacuzzi, bubbles. You don't have to make your own. And the same kind of strange thing with all the places we've been here in Greece. And you can't throw paper in the toilet. So when you wipe your ass, you have to put it in the bin there. Little half disgusting, but what can you do? Big bedroom, like these beams, or beams, I think they are. Balcony, big TV, storage. Okay, balcony. View at the mountains over there, pretty nice. But this place has 3 balconies, so let's close that one. Let's move on to the living room and kitchen. And here you have a kitchen table. Okay, kitchen with everything you need. You can cook here. Microwave, coffee maker, big cooler and fridge. And you have your sofa, TV, and they told me they have a home entertainment movie system here, but I don't watch that much movies, so let's look at the balcony here from the living room. It has 2 balconies, one over there and one here. This I think has the same view as the bedroom. Mountains, pretty nice. It was a nice drive up here in the mountains. Let's close this one. And let's look at the main balcony here. You have your roof, window. It's a bigger, as I said, it's a penthouse suite. You can see the ocean. Nice. And the castle, nice view. And it's lit up in the evening, so you have a perfect nice view here. And all the houses here. This is Parga. It's a coast village, a fisherman's village, old, I think. and it's right now it's not this high season, summer season, so not everything is open, but we went down there to report and had lunch today, and there are bars open and shops are open, so I really looking forward to exploring this place. So I'm gonna make some videos here, and I'm going to fly my drone, so this will be amazing. Oh, look at that, the Tina Lager. Nice. So subscribe and hit the like button and the notification bell so you don't miss my videos from here. This will be really exciting and I'm really looking forward to it. So see you later.